izule obvious nami usuqhaqela Movies yayona umbrella i-podcast enothando labantu thanda nokwazi ngohambo labantu hamba ngefaith futhi ayihambi ngesite kodwa mekumnyama iyayifaka nelight.
Welcome to another exciting episode of the Creatives Unplugged podcast. Sesiphinde safika ke kuyinyanga yesibili ku-2026 bathi inyanga kaFebruary and angihambi ngedwa ngihamba no-Archild Africa.
What's up, bro?
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? My name is Archild Africa. I'm opening February with a bang. Ngoba phela kuthiwa inyanga yani yothando kanje. Yeah.
Sister of the show, sister of the show. Hey, sister of the show, sister of the show. Yazi khona ishandise ithi uJanuary.
Yeah.
Ufika namawari. uFebruary mhlambe kuzobe ngekho khare. March ukubuza ukuthi how much.
Yo.
You may sort yourself njengoba sesiqala nama creatives.
Angeke uMay kude but dope. Kodwa uMay kude kanje mfethu.
Kodwa kuyahlangana yonke into rice.
Hey, this January was a very long year, man. It was a long year, man. Hey, makabisha khathele. Yabona nje bethu but hey sisafika la.
Ukuthi sesikhona songena inyanga yothando.
Hey, nayo ngathi kodwa izoba rough abanye bethu.
Kodwa ngibona ngathi niyasebenza la khona ama-event amaningi aza uqhawele ntombi at the Bat Center.
Like 15.
Women one man
one woman show.
One man show.
Denjani.
So it's more like Valentine uzobe yedwa performer Bat Center.
Serenade. So afetha amakhonyana bambe bobheka lapha.
And then the shoot was done by Movies Media, of course. Yes, and on that note, if you wanna come and book your own shoots for Valentine, kunama package ethu aship ngendlela eyisimanga. Sizokuphatha ngezandla entofo. Sifuna ontofo. Onama hips antofo. Mase kuthi no Archild Africa na une event.
Une event egebengu ke yakho.
Awusitshela kabanzi ngale event yakho. Mhla 15 ne?
Mhla 14 on Valentine's Day. So there's no excuse. Yeah,
kwenzakalani?
It's called the Archild Africa's Love Jam at Dropkick Murphys. Basically it's 50 rand entry and ikhona mongena nje uthule ribbon and show ukuthi umngaki.
Oh, nice.
So there is red for happily taken.
Yeah.
There's green for available and ready to mingle.
Okay.
There's gold for down for anything.
All right.
There is a rainbow for obviously, our brothers and sisters in the queer community.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I'm leaving anything out, but there's quite a lot. There's you can choose up to 3.
Yeah.
So you can be happily taken, but also down for anything.
Yeah. Okay.
Hectic.
Okay.
Apparently, I'm not gonna participate. But yeah, guys, pull through.
Yeah.
No under 18s.
Okay.
Yeah, and we
What's
have
the lineup?
the lineup. We have like AC, Afro Nerd, Honeybee.
Yeah.
We have AMPM, and we have a host Kunuma Kyungoma no shows from Kakasi FM. So
MQ and Q.
The Q stands for Queen.
Yeah. Nice. Hey, abantu bayasebenza.
And speaking about love,
yes.
Yes. And we have something for the community here too. We have a couple of school shoes.
Yes.
And we want to give back to our audience.
Kahle ngamafuphi sine i-donation yey'cathulo zesikole esifuna ukuyidonate kubantu abasibukele njengoba usibukele njengamanje mhlawumbe you are in need uyayidinga lezi icathulo noma khona umuntu omcabangayo ungasi-emailela ungasifonela
DM
ikhona la phansi nje ububona so iyona into esiyenzayo siyathanda ukuthi sinikele sigive back kubantu abaswele nabantu abakwazi ukuthi hey siyayibuka i-creative kodwa singasizakala kanjani nazi icathulo bakwethu ingane ifike ibenyezela uyibhonele uyifanele ikiwi.
And then the size is going to be listed on the screen. Please guys, no chances. This is for people who are really in need.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. I can't wait to introduce our guest today. kuyashibilika
yakhazimula
singena la ko film ko acting
La,
sibuye singene la ko
music.
music yabo lona
Singene ku-modelling.
intokazi ephethe ikhundla enamatalent amaningi so guys let's take this moment and welcome
Noluthando Shandu.
Welcome to the Creative Unplugged podcast.
Ngiyabonga. Thank you for having me.
Oh,
Welcome, Mazamuhle.
Hey, ngiyabonga.
Asemba ukuthi ubuFebruary nje.
Mhlawumbe before siqale nje abantu abazi uNoluthando yinje ungasenzela yona. Mhlawumbe a small chorus noma mhlawumbe a small act ezokwenza ukuthi uwazi kahle ukuthi lento mangiyenza bayangikhumbula abantu.
Oh hey. Like ngizwe nithi ninothando kodwa mase ningifaka on the spot kanje. Where's the love?
Creative ready.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I think I'll just do one of the songs from my EP, Nomathemba.
Oh nice.
Okay.
Yeah, it's one of my favorite songs.
Okay.
So okay. I wish I brought my guitar, but it's fine. Let's just go.
Okay.
Yes. Imizuzu amahora izinsuku angikuboni buya ekhaya Nomathemba nguyithemba ithemba la Nomathemba nguyithemba ithemba la uyithemba la.
This is what I'm talking about. Uyabona ke kade ngiyifuna. Iyona into kade ngisho le ukuthi sekuya understandeka manje ukuthi sihleli nobani. Mhlawumbe usisa lapho busy ngane yini ubusy ngayo kulezi insuku?
Kulezi insuku I cannot say because ngoba ku-acting sometimes izinto mengakoveli you can't talk about it.
Yeah.
But this is a production enkulu kade ngangi-auditionela
Nemnandi ngoba mina ngiyazi.
Uyazi.
Hayibo manje seningishiya.
But yeah, I can't
Can't
say.
say.
I really am not at liberty to say ukuthi yini. But yeah, izovela nje maduzane.
I'm
Khona
looking
lapha
forward.
koMzansi Magic kanje.
Hey, I'm looking forward to see that. Look, so usuka up nale acting nalo music mhlawumbe ubuwenza usakhula.
So music like ekhaya nje because uma wayeke choir usoma mdala usoma actually had a choir esikoleni ngangifunda kusona high school.
Okay.
So music has always been a part of impilo yami. But with acting ngangazi ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukact. Up until when I was in grade 8 khona non-profit organization eyayisebenzela esikoleni ngangifunda kusona ibizwa nge-RSA. So after school babenza like ama classes e-drama na yonke leyo nto. Yakhumbula nje usuku lokuqala kwathiwa kwenza ama-audition ngeqala nokuthi yini audition. I've never auditioned in my life. And I don't even remember ukuthi ngenzani, but I just did something and improvised on the spot. And I was actually the only person in the entire grade 8 owathola i-role kuleya production esasiyenza. And after that I was like, girl, there's something here. There's something. And yeah, so from that moment nje I never looked back. I've been like doing from ukwenza ama stage plays esikoleni. To performing at grade 10, there was this competition with Ngeneli Abasha Beshi, and I was one of the top 10 performers. I performed in Germany.
Wow.
Like it's been so many.
Germany,
yes,
guys.
Germany, guys.
What's the name of that organization layer in Plaga Nisakula?
RSA.
Shout out RSA. Ngiyabona ama products. Ngiyabona izinto ezenzakalayo.
Yeah. And it's interesting.
Awubhekanga emuva emva kwalokho?
Lutho, after that I was like, because it was really such a great defining moment for me. Like my talent can take me overseas, like and like perform overseas, and like from there I was like, girl, there's potential. And so no matter I always just look back to my beginnings. Girl, you got this. You can carry on.
It's interesting to see umuntu with theater because they're always so like lively. It's like you're using expression. It's like you. So was it part of coaching? Ube expressive kanje, or was it just your personality?
I think naturally like kumuntu ngikhuluma kanje, but then also definitely like being on stage added to that, and like there's a umehluko from acting for TV and acting for stage. I was supposed to ask that. Yes, because we know how I see it with TV now. It's you just. We are performer and the audience comes to you. But with theater, you need to invite the audience because like experience in performance. So you can't like perform kanje. But then with TV, you can't be big. And in theater, I feel like it's tougher. I think because you can't. There's no. Let's take another take.
But to act nangomzimba.
Yes, actor from ubozo. Everything needs to be performing.
Yeah, so tell us more about tertiary.
So tertiary, so after high school,
yes.
Because like I was all like drama, but like there were like so many voices telling me, "Ay, girl, don't do this." Like fundela noma kube uthisha labo ezinye izinto ezikhona. So that really created a confusion. I'm going to take a gap here.
Yeah.
And a beautiful opportunity came ukuthi ngiye e Cape Town and work in this organization. Now who's actually umuntu oqala organization in Cape Town South International is cousins with lo muntu oqala ilo Aero SA. So that was like a connection there. So Auntie Mary connected me with Auntie Shaneti lapha e Cape Town, and that organization uses the performing arts to do community development yabo emphakathini. So like and we toured to a lot of communities in Cape Town, like Cape Flats, like around. Yes. We'd use arts. Yabo nje ukuthi hlanganisa abantu emphakathini. There's also this project esayenza where you go in the community and then uthola abantu abadala bakhona, and then you just ask them to share their stories and the story of the umphakathi, and then we create like a production around that story, and then we perform it for the community. So like even though ngangayifundeli, like I was still very much like involved in it. And then that inspired me to pursue a degree a community development, because I was like, okay, I can actually bring I can bring beauty and these worlds together. And last year.
Congrats.
So that's what I've been up to.
Okay, and we see you there on screen, girl. Amalanga Wafani, Uzalo.
Yes. Actually, Amalanga Wafani, I'd like to share this story. Amalanga Wafani, how I got them. I did audition, but how I got the audition was Konanyi production that I was part of with this other artist, and we connected with Facebook. And then they told me they're doing this production, and Babengas Kokeli. And I was like, let me go. I did it. So performer. Luckily, Curtis performer, a casting director, a stained glass was there.
Wow.
Which is Unjabulo Shelembe. And then he saw us perform there, and then he reached out, and that's how I got the audition, and that's how I got the role.
Wow. Girl.
So that sometimes, like, you're not going to get paid, because you never know who's watching and like how you can get connections from that.
Yeah.
So how was your role there?
So Malanga Wafani, I'm Gangi Kesha, La Payana, Estorosa, my friend. So it was a small role, but it's big because it's a busy one.
Come on, no girl.
Yes.
Where was that?
That was Genesis.
Oh,
yes, Genesis. Yeah, that was Genesis, and Bonabashutela a colleague with that one.
Kuzalo bu-excipe i-role lapha. Chapa bakubukele manje abazokhumbula ukuthi siyamkhumbula.
It's so funny ngoba ku-Genesis ngangiyiphoyisa, kuZalo ngangiyibhantinti. Yeah. Kuzalo, so I was an inmate. Ngisebenza esaluni ekhona lapha ejele. So like ohlelo bona labo noSipho sasenza amakhanda. Yeah, it was a very beautiful experience nakhona.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I got that one through i-agent igelengi kuyona.
Okay.
Ayi sekusetshenziswe
Siyaphusha.
Ayi nalokho okunye ungafuna ukuhlebela ngakho kuzayo. Ayi
Hey, and afuna manje kufanele le role. Fana yasho iyona mfana.
Yeah. So with music asingenela ku music. Lisuka aphi lo uthando lo music? Iqala nini yonke lento?
So uthando lo music njengoba ngisho ukuthi like it's always been like a part of impilo yami nje ekhaya nje like yayiculelwa. And like it's always something even it's like a yami, like it's just me. I actually never saw myself releasing music and like or performing for people because there's always something nje so like abo menginiwe like I'll sing and I'll feel better like abo bashaweni kanjalo yabo Beyonce album so yeah like and then
Happy
birthday, Beyonce. And then there was this one time, khona nje omunye ubhuti, I don't remember his name, khona omunye ubhuti owangifica ngicula yezo, and I was just like performing for i-audience engekho, like nginganakeli ukuthi khona ongibonayo. And then there's a question he asked me ukuthi, and that question like stayed with me because namngayibuza ukuthi how. Cause so okay, he said, okay, I can hear what you are and you have a beautiful voice, and I can tell what you love it, but like, why are you not doing it? Like, why not?
Yeah.
And I didn't have an answer, and then I was like, why not, baby? Like, I can write songs, I can sing, so like, why not?
And you play the guitar, girl.
Yes, I play the guitar, and I was just like, let me pursue it.
Yeah.
So that's how I started like taking it seriously and recording stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell us about your first recording.
My first recording. My first because you record a single. Actually, So your artist and you guys go to auditions and connect with people that you use at auditions. So give my audition.
Yeah.
And then this guy wakangiphambi kwakhe sasikulayini yabo besinyuka nje ngehlalo kanje and then like so we talk and stuff and then like he uyasho ukuthi like he wants to create something with me and I'm like yeah sure like let's connect. And then we ended up going for a studio session and there's this song that we recorded and then the producer there's something that he can hear in me and then he played this other beat and I get like angicuswa ke guys sabhala and then we recorded it and it was just so beautiful. Then sayikhipha last year and in fact le ngoma le esaya ngayo studio aska go ikhiphi because yabo le ngisabona sino le yeah and the name of that song is Isikelela.
I know
yes
ijanda kanjani
it's like step deep house
yeah. All right.
Yes.
And I've always been meaning to ask you the idea behind your stage name,
Sanibonani.
Yeah.
Oh.
How did you come up with that? It's such a unique name.
Right? Thank you. So, Sanibonani, there was this, you guys didn't call it, I think, I'm going to have fun with
all the time.
Yeah. So there was this course enganyenza. It's called Principle of Redeeming Culture School. So there was a lot of different people. Kona munye from South Korea, omunye from Polynesian islands. Like there was like my cultures and something people always remember about me, like people ended up calling me Sanibonani because whenever like I got up to speak, Sanibonani.
Okay.
And then so everyone would just say Sanibonani. Like there was this boy from Korea, Sanibonani. And then there was just like a nice ring to it. And but also I'm cutting pants and I'm just like inhliziyo yami as an artist is I want to create stuff that makes people feel seen, people feel heard. And usanibona literally means I see you. Like ngiyakubona. It's I recognize you, I celebrate you. So I was like, actually, let's run with it. Sanibona need
wow.
Yeah.
That is a beautiful. That's a beautiful. Yeah, it's very well thought out. And then since you are so busy, because imagine we also want to like share with people. January, we're trying to motivate people and stuff. You're such a multifaceted, multi-talented artist, and you're also a model, and you are the face of Portia M. Girl, tell us about that.
Girl. So that one thing about me, like
I think I saw how it started.
Yes, do you remember the video?
I saw how it started.
That video.
You started just posting it.
Yes.
Posting stuff for Portia M.
Yes.
Okay.
And then they were looking for a beauty squad members. There's I think 10 of us, if I'm not mistaken. So they did a call out because they want beauty squad members. All you need to do is just make a video of yourself telling them who you are and like why would you like to be part of this brand. And obviously and submitted that video. And
here you are.
Here I am. And then they chose me.
Nice.
And yeah, like it's really, there's this quote and not knowing ukuthi which door is going to lead you to where you need to. I'm definitely not saying it correctly, but it says not knowing which door is going to lead you to like ipumelelo yakho, knock. Keep knocking. Keep knocking. So whenever ithuba liqhamuka in my creative space, I knock.
Yeah.
Whether I get in or I don't get in, I knocked. And the right doors always open.
Mhlawumbe izinto njani i-agent kanjani le oyimodel khona for impahla or ama products or
no,
face yakhona?
I don't have an modeling agency as yet. But I think I should get one. Yeah, there's something I need to
do. For this sponsorship that and
Portia M. No, it's we freelance because it's not. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi basenda i-poster on their Instagram and Facebook ukuthi they're looking for abantu kanje and then I made a video and then that's how
I see what you're asking. It's a beauty
company,
so they have like
they
have a mask, cream, and then there's like hair products. So it's like the biggest South African black-owned South African
female black female
South African owned brand, and I use the tissue oil. It changed my
the tissue oil is really
gosh,
good. It's the best.
So the brand is really good.
Portia M.
Yeah,
I hope in
Marula oil,
we are pushing
Marula oil. Yes,
we're pushing.
Yeah, this is amazing. It's very nice to have you here. And not only is she a model or a singer or an actress, I saw you that you're growing chickens. Not growing chickens.
Nice.
Hey, we grow them.
Dope.
Oh yes. I figure matwane. We are growing them.
Yeah.
Like I figure matwane.
Yes. From audition straight to ipinifa lakho.
That's nice.
Yeah. No, it's Mashandu poultry. Siyakhulisa amachwane bese other people who want nedombolo siyakubilisela nedombolo.
Okay.
Siya also mufune philayo.
Umbilisa amachwane.
No, phela mase ekhulile.
Mase kuyinkukhu ngisho ukuthi sikhulisa amachwane.
Akhula amachwane.
Siyalibilisa nedombolo. Okay. Manje sekuphela sekuyinkukhu bakwethu.
Mase inkukhu igcwele.
Okay.
Mase kuyinkukhu bakwethu.
Asipheka amachwane guys. Yeah, no ofuna ephilayo nayo siyamnikeza ephilayo 110 rand. Enedombolo i150.
It's such an interesting thing.
Yeah. Siyakuthela futhi makuthi ufuna echuthiwe nje ufuna isibhumbulu siyakunikeza.
Ikephi nendawo?
Sisebenzela ke. Hayi khuleka woza.
Ngiyamplanga njengamanje.
Yazi usicabanga ufuna indombolo
yini? Ngithanda kabi. Hey, ngithanda kabi ke. Kona ini le nyama leSizulu. Ini inkukhu leSizulu. Umleqo.
Okay, blend down.
Sise le ndawo lokuthi abantu abaningi abayazi but indawo ibizwa sembuthisweni.
Embuthisweni.
Yabo eMlazi ePhilani nokomakhutha singaphakathi nendawo nje kwabo. So abantu abasendaweni kaMakhutha singabahambisela.
Ngashele garage lelidala.
Yes, strong energy lapho.
Leyo ndawo nje yonke leya.
Nabaseyimangweni sabahambisela.
Uyesiphingo la, uyephilane ngala uyangena uze eMlazi kayo. Balapho ke. Yebo sengiplay kanjani. And then pressure komgaqo ichibi. Ngasechibini lapha le ndawo iarea le echibini.
Mina ngiyayizwa lo ndawo kuthi sechibini ukuthi angiyiboni. Kodwa ngiyayizwa ngeke ngeze abantu bekhuluma ngayo sechibini.
Kuseduze kwalapha.
Yes, seduze echibini
yakuseduze. Manje seduze kwase garage lelidala.
Yes.
Kamuthwa.
Yazi zonke lezo ndawo lezo ukuthi mina ngumuntu ohlala endlini Nkosi yami
bakithi uzulu ozonovanzi
kodwa yabona indawo ishoyo ngiyazazi kodwa ngeke
ngiyiphilane noMlazi nesiphingo iyona ndawo esencane leyo.
Yes yiphi kambe le enye indawo eseduze lapha yana Malikazi. Yes.
Hey mina ngilost ngeshimo stop now.
Oh hey.
Okay, so masi mhlawumbe inamba yakho sibayibona la esikonini sokufakela ngisho inamba ngokukhona oyishaya ngedombolo enyama yenkukhu.
Hayi leli.
Egwajisi awubhekana omadansayo Nkosi yami achild.
Dombolo.
Yeah, so ubhizi nge-EP ngiyeza kuthiwa EP khona music ophekayo njengamanje.
Right now. Yeah, right now EP released last year. Right now I actually want to explore a different sound because at mengibhala bisuke kuyimina nesiginci nje ngiyibhalela
uzojabula osiginci
how siqubule ufunde
siyami siqubule
Nas la iceni kwakho okay.
Yeah, but so that's how I write and then mase ngifike e-studio because umuntu obeke wayilalela i-EP yami uzozwa ukuthi it's deep house or 3 step mase ngifike e-studio ke mase ngiyayishadisa ke le beat nalama lyrics engwabhale ngesiginci but ngifuna explore just with isiginci nje.
Nice.
Like just raw.
Yeah.
That's what I'm working on.
So nje sipheka amakhona sipheka music. Sipheka amakhona sipheka music. Sipheka amakhona sipheka music.
Uyabona actually episode ngisho siphuma i-topic yayo yoba ukuthi pheka amakhwana.
Pheka amakhwana uzokhipha ingoma.
Okay, cishe ngasipheka amakhwana ithini message yakho kubantu. Manje ithini message yakho kubantu abasibukela njengamanje ama creatives, ama actors, abantu abathanda ukwenza more ungathi nje kubona kuqala inyanga yabantu besifazane yothando.
Yebo besifazane.
Kodwa phela yayenza.
Uthando nje.
Uzona basoyisi nje wena just know.
Ungathini kubantu fethu ukubakhuthaza nje kusanda ukuqala nonyaka.
One of the things engigqugquzelayo is that ukwazi ukuthi the industry doesn't owe me anything. So industry I kweleti lutho. In fact I always take it to myself ukuthi imina actually ngikweleta abantu. Imina ngikweleta abantu ukuthi like I need to create these songs. I need to do these performances because I believe in the power of art. So as amaciko we need to stop having this mindset ukuthi like industry yasikweleta usihlale and wait for stuff to come. Like I love this podcast so much.
Yes.
Like
Nice.
use what you have. Ungahlali ulinde ukuthi cause angifuni qamba ngake ngaba yiningi leli lobe lithe la eThekwini azikho izinto eThekwini like there's not a lot of stuff happening but make the stuff happen.
Be the stuff that happens.
Be the stuff that happens.
Yeah.
Yes, that's really into engathanda ukuthi nginishare nayo ukuthi
And then iChild says vala ayikho into
no mina ikhona nje into engifuna ukisho to the gents bokufe bhaqela ama roses amabhakede bakithi ama chocolates amabhakede imali ama dollar masiniza kwishow yami ke but thank you so much for coming through. Hopefully I'm going to see you there. So mhlawumbe uzofake iribbon eli
mengizofika le green kodwa kungenzeka ngibe segoli khona umsebenzi ongibizela khona
busy hand
siyaphusha
hayi pushani bakithi
so abantu mabedinga bakuthola kanjani
ngangithola Instagram
Yeah.
@noluthando_shandu. Naku TikTok @noluthando_shandu. Ku Facebook ke ngiyispoki kodwa ke nakhona ke @noluthando_shandu.
Yeah. Nice. Achild wena utholakala kanjani?
Mina @OurChild Africa across all social media platforms.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lalela.
Yeah.
Lela.
Sesivala ngicela ukuthi sikhumbuze abantu ukuthi ungakhohlwa if you need shoes
Yeah.
icathulo zeingane zesikole ungasibhalela kule number oyibonayo or kwi-email la on your screen. Singajabula ukukusiza, singajabula ukuthi udlulise lo myalezo. Sithi njengoba kuqala unyaka siyanikhuthaza ukuthi abantwana bafunde, abantwana benze more, babe creative, babe njengathi, yabo lento kuhlanganise nje noma ngabe yini. Le nto isho ukuthi ukuhlala ulibele uthi hey kuyabheda, amathuba awekho, noma ubani unase sakhe skill. Yabo lento skill sokudweba, urefri nondweba, ukwazi ukhanda enjini, iskill sokhipha decision, unevision ukuze udume nemoto idinga injini.
Lalela.
So asebenzeni guys, asebenzeni unyaka uqalile mhlawumbe sengivala ngithi ngumhliko wonke umuntu uyangazi maungangazi usuyangazi njengamanje. So thank you very much for subscribing. Sikhona ku
Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. Yes, please do subscribe.
Yeah. Siyabonga kakhulu asivalele set. Oh, sine performance.
Yes.
So ithini ingoma zosiperformela yona today?
Angishayo noma Themba.
Okay.
Oh no.
Yeah, Themba ngophela February. Might as well.
Okay, so njengamanje sisawupheka amachwane.
Bye.